This video has gotten up to 60k view. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me brighten my phone so that you guys can see. Okay, that's gotten up to 60k view. I don't know why my ring light is fluctuating. So at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you how much YouTube pay me. I need to close this. I need to close this. How much YouTube pay me for a 60,000 video view. So if this is what you are interested in, stick right hook. Let's dive into this video. It's by Sonia. Welcome to another beautiful series of how much YouTube pay me. Content creator, are you a YouTuber? Are you looking forward to be monetized on YouTube? Are you looking forward to start making money on YouTube? So as that small YouTuber that you are, you're not up to 20k subscribers, you're not up to 15k subscribers, you are even struggling to even get up to 5,000, 1,000 subscribers, and then boom, your video have like 60k views. And then in your imagination, if I am monetized, how much can this video fetch me? How much can YouTube fetch me for a video of 60,000 views? And if YouTube is giving me money for a video of 60,000 views, what categories kind of video, what are the kind of niche that I can actually put out there that can skyrocket my revenue, that can make my revenue to be elaborate? All of that thought that has been running through your mind, it has once run through my mind, and that is why I'm trying my best to bring out how much YouTube pay me series to you, so that you as a small YouTuber, at every point of your journey, you will already know, okay, this is the amount of money I am going to make. Even if I'm not making up to this amount, I might make more than this amount, I might make less than this amount. Okay, this video I'm about to share with you, don't get me wrong, some persons can get different revenue. Okay, some person's revenue can be higher while other person's revenue can be lower, depending on the niche of your videos, depending on your CPM and your RPM, stuff like that, you guys know. So if you are new and you're just stumbling across this video for the first time and you be like, what is YouTube all about? Is YouTube paying? Yes, you can actually make money on YouTube if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. And I've tried my best and I put out an analysis for you how I was able to achieve my 4,000 watch hour. That was my honest analysis. And if you are also looking forward to get monetized on YouTube, then you need to put all of this work in place, because at the end of the day, you are going to be happy. So the only thing I will never advise you, that I keep saying in all of my videos and I'll keep repeating them, is that don't ever think of quitting YouTube. Don't ever think that YouTube is difficult, YouTube is hard, I can't cope, I can't do it, it's too, I don't know the English to use. But no matter what you're thinking in all of this situation, just know that at the end of the day, you are going to be making something out of it. You're not just going to be suffering or laboring in vain. At the end of the day, something is definitely going to come to your table. So with all of that being said, so that we don't get to rant too much in this video, let's head straight into my YouTube studio analysis. So what I'll just be doing for you, I'll be putting a screen record here, or I'll be putting a screen record here, whichever one, so that you guys can actually understand how much YouTube pay me for 60,000 view. And after all of that analysis, then I am going to be telling you why I made this particular amount and how you can also help skyrocket your amount on YouTube. Okay, so let's get the screen record started. So here am I, this is my YouTube studio, and I'm not even going deep. So I'm going to be talking about how to make money on poppo video. This particular video I did on how to make money on poppo. This video, since it was published, has gotten total view of 60,544. Mind you, this video was not just, it didn't just pick up that very day that this video was published. I think I've said it in one of my analysis that this video was actually one of the videos that at some point I wanted to delete it out of my channel, or I never wanted to post it. But at the end of the day, these are the videos that actually bringing something to the table for me. Okay, so yes, this video has gotten 60,000 544 views since it was published. And this video audience retention, you guys can see it here, you can see the spike. And this video real time, for the last 48 hours, this video has gotten an extra 304 views, and of which is something to be grateful for. So let's go to the reach of this video so that we don't get to be ranting too much. So for the impression of this video actually dropped in 304K people. Like, this video has reached over 300,000 citizens, people out there. Let me not say citizens, human beings, okay? So it has reached over 3,000 persons out there. But for the 300 and something K persons that this video reached, it was only 60,000. And I was asking myself, why can't 100, 200 click? But anyways, grateful heart, and I'm so grateful for that. At least it's something. So for how you viewers found this video, they found this video through YouTube search, external source, other YouTube features, suggested videos, and others, external sites or apps such as Google search, Google Go, and also WhatsApp. I really do not know how they find this video through WhatsApp, to be honest, because I don't post my content on WhatsApp. Like, I don't share my content on WhatsApp, except if it's my WhatsApp people that are coming directly to like watch. Is something I cannot really explain. Then the YouTube search term for this particular video is poppo life in money, how to make money on poppo live. That is why it is good for you to always use trending topics that are circulating. Any trending topics that you know that, oh, these topics are actually circulating, it's good to use them on your videos, because who knows, your videos might be one of the favorite topics that people are looking for, and then you grab the opportunity. Okay, so content that are suggesting this video is this content that is saying 13 ways to make money and how to make money on poppo. This is still my content. Poppo life earn money, this is someone's content. How to withdraw funds, 7 ways to earn free coins on poppo, stuff like that. You can see that most of the content that are relating to this particular content are content that still circulate around my how to make money on poppo video. So you can see when I am talking about trending topics. So for the playlist future, poppo life tutorial, because I have a playlist, my mixed as well. This is the Onoja's mix, because I was using the Onoja's before, and before I changed to Vibe Sonia, poppo app, blah blah blah, stuff like that, and the rest of that. You can see that all of these are still circulating around my playlist. Very, very important. So let's move to the engagement of this particular video. So for the engagement of this particular video, this video has been able to gather a watch time of 3.4K, and of which this is what some persons are actually looking for. So you can see that if I'm looking forward to be monetized, this video alone has monetized my channel. God forbid, peradventure, I'm demonetized and YouTube said, okay, review your videos, and I delete all the videos of my channel. I can actually just pick out this video and on that video I know that, okay, the watch hour can actually accumulate, and then my monetization can still be in place. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. So post videos that when people are watching, your watch hours can actually accumulate far, is something that I always advise of. Okay, so for the audience retention, for everybody that clicks this video, they watch at least 3 minutes 25 seconds, and of which it is great, trust me. So likes and dislikes, so let's just leave there and move to the audience itself. Okay, for the audience, we have age. For the age that are actually watching this video is 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and then 35 to 44. These are young people that are practically looking for ways to make money, and that is why it's good for you to circulate your content around young people, because if you circulate your content around young people, especially the youth that are actually looking for something to do online, you're going to be getting that percentage of more views. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so but let's forget about that one. Let me not get myself confused in this video. Then for the gender, male and female, this content is not only related to just female or just related to just men. Anybody can at least just watch this video, because this video is just all about how to make money. I don't know if you guys get. So find content around such niche. Then for the geographical, top geographical location that are actually watching this video is Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya. So Nigeria, Ghana, and Kenya are the top 3 countries. Not like other countries are actually not watching this video. Other countries are also watching this video, but these are the top countries that are actually watching this video. Okay. For the subtitle, you can see no subtitle, English, blah blah, Arabic, because they can automatically translate. You can see auto translate there. For not subscribe, 98. For subscribe, 1%. So if you've not subscribed subscribed and you're watching this video, please, what have I done? Please do want to subscribe on this channel. It is very important. It will actually help my growth on this YouTube street. So with everything that brought everyone here, let's go straight to the revenue of this video. So for the revenue of this video has actually fetched me $143.18. I repeat, $143.18, and this is a whole lot coming from just a 60k view video. That is to say, the more this video keep getting views, the more money I'll actually be making. Okay, you can see it here. For every 1k view, I get to make $2.37. This this RPM has actually reduced, to be honest, because when I uploaded the video initially, the RPM was higher than this, but I don't know why. If time keep going, then they keep reducing the RPM. I don't know what is the reason or why they do that. And then you can see how much advertisers pay for this video. Advertisers pay $6 for this video. You can see that I have good advertisers offer. I don't know if you guys get, okay? You guys know that you can only cash out here through advertisers, and you can see that earnings by skippable video, bumper ads, display ad, and non-skippable video. So for a video of 60k view, this video has fetched me $143.18. Okay, so I need to stop this screen record so that we can talk. For some person's video, this video might not even fetch them even up to $20, $30, $40, $60, but to some person's videos as well with 60k views, this video can actually fetch them even up to 200 or more than 200, depending on their RPM and depending on their CPM as well. Okay, depending on how much advertisers are paying as well. And why I was able to accumulate much on this video, it is because of the niche of this video. The niche of this video is how you can make money. So most persons are online here looking for how to make money, looking for how to earn revenue. And I said it in one of my videos that those type of videos have good advertisers payment. Trust me, I've gotten some videos that are almost up to 60k view, but are not yet up to 60k view, but they are not even making up to the least $50. I don't know if you guys get my point. So this particular niche of how to make money is what is bringing all of this good thing. The niche was okay. The topic was a topic that was searchable. Like once you search it, even if you search now as you're watching me, definitely one way or the other they're going to be popping out my videos for you. If they are going to be bringing out 5-10 videos on your screen, mine is going to be among how to make money on poppo online or whatsoever twist you want to use. Okay, another thing about this video that actually helped me fetch enough of this revenue is because this video is circulating around trending topics. Okay? Anybody that is searching for this video, there is let me say 70% that my videos actually pop up. Then it's not left for the person to like click or not click on this video. Another thing that actually enabled me to earn high on this video is because this video is like an evergreen content. What do I mean evergreen content? Content that are searchable over and over again. I think I've published this video, if it's not over a year, it's, let me just say it's close to a year now that I've published this particular video, but still this video is still the video that is fetching me good amount of revenue on my channel. So this is to tell you that if you want to earn high on your 60k view, or you want to earn high on your video views on YouTube, you need to look for ways to go extra mile. You need to look for trending topics. You need to look for what people are searching for. Your thumbnails need to be good enough so that it can be catchy, it can attract people. You need to work on your, let me say, your community or your audience retention, stuff like that. So there are a lot of things that need to be put in place for your videos to be able to fetch you much. Okay, so if you have had 50 and 60k before and you're monetized on this YouTube street, let me know in the comment section how much you've been able to make with your 60k view, because this was how much I was able to make with my own 60k view here on YouTube. Okay, I got a comment where someone is saying I should do niches that high-paying niches, stuff like that. I'm going to be doing all of that, but I am sure not going to be uploading it on this channel. I'm going to be uploading it on my how to make money channel, because you guys know that this channel is all about lifestyle, beauty, and vlogs. And I'll just try my possible best. Because of this series, I've already promised you guys how much YouTube pay me series. I'll be putting out the series here, but every other thing on how to make money, you want to learn how to make money on TikTok, you want to learn how to make money on different other platforms, I'll be putting it on my other channel. So if you've not followed my other channel, you can check in the description description box, Sonia Onoja, then you follow me there so that you can be able to like learn more and start making money online. Okay, so yeah, as always, I'll always advise my YouTubers, like not only my YouTubers, my content creators, I always advise you guys that no matter where you are starting from, no matter how difficult you feel it is, no matter how stressful, no matter how demanding your time is, find way to create content and always make sure you are consistent. Aside your consistency, always make sure you're trying to bring different vibes on the table. You don't know the ones that can actually go viral. This is just my kind advice to you. Don't ever think you're giving up, because if I would have given up long time ago, by this time I wouldn't be here doing how much YouTube pay me for a 60,000 video view. So if you want us to get the maths of a 60,000 video view, let's just say $143, let's just say times 1,000 naira, because dollar is over 1,000 naira even as I told you I'm filming that video, but let me just use 1,000 naira, is over 143,000 naira in Nigerian currency. So if you're not earning in dollars, you're not earning in all of this good money, I wonder what you think you can be earning on. So do well to like just keep up doing what you are doing. I hope this video is able to help someone out there. I hope this video is able to encourage someone out there to continue pushing. If it does, please don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't also forget to follow me on my other channel so that you can also get other vibes I'm bringing on that particular channel. Don't forget to drop me your comments, any difficulties you're having, any video requests you want me to film for you, you can also drop it for me in the comment section. My job here is to deliver to your table. Okay, so yeah, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one on how much YouTube pay me series. So with that being said, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. Mwah.